I always do this before using my washing machine. Have you ever placed lemons in your washing machine's compartment? After discovering its purpose, you'll thank me forever. In this video, I'll show you why this trick is genuinely beneficial for your washing machine. Let's start by removing this compartment. Press this button and remove it gently. Each machine is different. Now, let's prepare the mixture. Take 2 lemons, cut them in half, and extract the juice. I'll use an orange juicer, but if you don't have one, you can squeeze them by hand. Now, squeeze the juice from all 4 lemon halves. We'll use only the lemon juice. Next, add 200 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters of rubbing alcohol vinegar, and finally, 4 tablespoons of detergent. Here, I'll use lemon-scented detergent, but you can use any other liquid soap. Mix everything thoroughly. This trick will be very useful for your washing machine. I'm sure it will help you a lot, and there you have it, it's ready. I imagine you must be curious and wondering, but what is it for? Put some of this mixture into your machine's compartment and leave it for an hour. After 60 minutes, we'll scrub it with a sponge. Did you know that the main cause of damage to your washing machine is soap? This happens because if your machine isn't cleaned properly, the detergent becomes hard and eventually turns into stone. This transforms into grease that gradually damages your clothes, and over time, it will ruin your machine's operation. Lemon has a high concentration of citrus liquid that removes embedded grease, crust, and dirt. Then just rinse it and put it back in place. This will increase the useful life of your machine, but there's one more thing you should be aware of. You shouldn't just clean this compartment but also the inside of the washing machine where the compartment is located. The best thing to do is pour this mixture into a spray bottle and spray everything. Once again, let it sit for a few minutes and start cleaning everything properly. This makes the washing machine completely clean, even on the inside. If you don't clean your washing machine, it could eventually ruin both the machine and your clothes. Do it at home, and you'll thank me. I'll wait for you in the next video. Stay blessed.